Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my apartment Christmas decor tour. I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to decorate within a small space and also how you can stay on budget while doing so. I know it's Christmas, but no one wants to break the bank with decorating, especially when you still have to buy gifts. So starting in my kitchen, I did not do much here. However, I did get these cute little towels and a 2-pack from HomeGoods for $2.99. And they say jingle all the way in gold, so I thought that was a nice little touch for the stove there. I had a pack of $5 ornaments that I just had left over, so I used them to fill my canisters. And I had some leftover ribbon, so I just hot glued that to the bottom. The ornaments were just much cheaper than the candy that I wanted, so that was a good deal. I found this cute little glittery Christmas tree soap dispenser at HomeGoods for $4.99, so I thought that was a really cute touch for the sink. And in my bar area here, I have my place settings. The gold mat came from Pier 1, and the snowflake mat did too. The snowflake mat was $1. The gold mats were like 2 for $6. The little plate was $2.99 from HomeGoods. And I just used a 4-pack of napkins from HomeGoods, and this ornament is my favorite. That came from Target. And I think the ornament was like $4. For my bar stools, I used a wire ribbon to just create a big huge bow here. I wish I could have found a wide ribbon, but I wasn't able to, so I just doubled up the thinner ribbon that I was able to find. And for these bar stools, you'll probably need 1 spool of ribbon for each stool. So if you have more, obviously more ribbon. But the wire makes it super easy to create that bow. Now on to my favorite piece. This is a garland that I created from 2 garlands from Hobby Lobby and an artificial plant that I just cut up and stuck in there to make it drapey. The drapey crystal garland is from Amazon, and the crystal ornaments are from Hobby Lobby, and the thinner ones are from Amazon also. They were like dirt cheap, so I'll link them below. The lights I had left over from last year, they were like 99 cents a box after Christmas, so I just added them in. I didn't add much to my bar area at all. I actually had almost everything on here, including the lights. I did, however, add these cute furry stockings. I got these from Target and they were $10 each, so I thought that was okay pricing. I just used some extra ribbon that I had left over in one of my craft boxes just to tie them onto the bar. I had no place else to put stockings and I really wanted some, so I thought why not just tie some onto the bar. But it turned out pretty cute to me. I found these cake stands at HomeGoods for $11.99 and $12.99. So I thought they'd be perfect for entertaining for the holiday season. I also added these really pretty glasses to my bar, and I just stuck the extra napkins that I had left over from my place setting into the glasses just for an extra touch. My lights were already on the bar, however, I love to turn them on at night with all of the other lights because I feel like it really just enhances the Christmassy ambiance that I have going. Moving on to the coffee table, I twisted 3 wreath fillers around my tray and stuck some gold fillers in as well. I added this acrylic reindeer to complement the candle holders I already had and switched out my regular candlesticks for these champagne ones. I also added this gold tree to add some color in and just complete the look. So in total, I spent about $30 with everything on the coffee table. I didn't do much to my TV area at all either. I did, however, add this garland, and it is a $10 garland that I got from HomeGoods. That was the gold one, and I twisted it into a pre-lit, just basic garland from Hobby Lobby that I actually purchased for $5, which was perfect. I found this pillow at HomeGoods for $12.99, and it just says Merry and Bright, and I thought that was a really cute touch. I typically keep this throw on my sofa, but I moved it into my little wire basket just to throw the pillow in there. I thought it was really cute, so. I decided to go with the slim tree just for space-saving purposes, and this one I just thought was really, really pretty. My tree is obviously flocked. I spent $40 on the tree and $15 on the flocking powder, and I just flocked it myself. I feel like it gives that frosty look that I was going for. All of my ornaments came from Michael's and Target. A lot of my Target ornaments came like 10 pieces in a box for like $3. So Target was the business when it came to decorating the tree. I didn't buy a lot at Michael's, however, I did get my navy blue ball ornaments from there just because they were the only place that carried them in the size that I wanted, and they were $5 a box, so I got 3 boxes and I spent $15 on those. Say hello to my cute little reindeer that I got from HomeGoods. He's so adorable, and he only cost me $9.99, so I just sit him right in front of the tree. And instead of getting a tree skirt, I actually used a blanket that I've had for years, and I just folded it around the bottom of my tree. I think it looks just as good, and when the presents are there, you won't be able to see the skirt at all. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season and an amazing start to your new year.